if you're enjoying Apex Motorhome, please hit like, leave a great comment, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our next luxury RV adventure.
Welcome aboard the incredible 2027 Kenworth Motorhome, America's ultimate luxury mansion on wheels. This massive rolling masterpiece takes luxury travel to a completely different level, combining the comfort of a luxury estate with the freedom of the open road. Today, we're exploring all 3 floors of this extraordinary motorhome and uncovering features that most people never imagined could fit inside a vehicle. Stay with us until the end because the top floor reveals something truly unbelievable. Before we begin the tour, if you love seeing the world's most luxurious motorhomes and futuristic vehicles, subscribe now because our next video features a hidden ultra-luxury RV innovation that almost nobody has seen yet. Starting outside, the 2027 Kenworth Motorhome immediately commands attention with its bold design, premium paint finish, massive panoramic windows, and advanced aerodynamic body. Every detail is engineered to deliver both luxury and performance. The impressive size alone makes it feel more like a luxury residence than a traditional motorhome. Let's step inside and begin with the first floor. The moment the automatic entrance door opens, you're welcomed into an elegant living area filled with premium materials, soft ambient lighting, and modern designer furniture. Plush reclining sofas create a relaxing environment for family gatherings or entertaining guests during long journeys. Moving forward, we arrive at the professional drive cabin. Unlike ordinary RVs, this cockpit feels more like a luxury command center. A large digital dashboard, advanced navigation systems, multiple camera displays, and premium leather captain's seats provide both comfort and control. Long-distance travel becomes effortless with this sophisticated setup. Adjacent to the main living space is a dedicated office area. This private workspace includes a large executive desk, ergonomic seating, multiple display screens, high-speed connectivity, and plenty of storage. Whether managing a business, attending virtual meetings, or handling important projects, owners can remain productive while traveling across the country. Continuing through the first floor, we discover the laundry area. Equipped with modern washer and dryer units, built-in cabinets, and organized storage compartments, this space ensures extended travel remains practical and convenient without sacrificing comfort. Now let's head upstairs to the second floor, where residential luxury reaches a new level. The centerpiece of this floor is the stunning gourmet kitchen. Premium countertops, custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooking surfaces, and generous preparation space make this kitchen suitable for everything from quick meals to elaborate dinners. The elegant dining area nearby offers comfortable seating with breathtaking views through oversized windows. Just beyond the kitchen, we enter the luxurious master bedroom. This private retreat features a king-size bed, designer lighting, large wardrobes, premium finishes, and expansive windows that fill the room with natural light. Every detail has been carefully designed to create a peaceful atmosphere after a day of travel. Connected to the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom. Featuring a large walk-in shower, elegant vanity, modern fixtures, premium materials, and generous storage, it provides all the comforts expected in a luxury home. One of the most unique spaces on this level is the dedicated medication room. Thoughtfully designed for wellness and organization, it includes secure storage systems, refrigeration for specialized medications, and carefully arranged compartments that help travelers maintain health routines wherever they go. Nearby, the motorhome features a private massage area designed for complete relaxation. Comfortable massage equipment, calming lighting, soothing decor, and a tranquil atmosphere transform this space into a personal wellness retreat. After long hours on the road, this area becomes one of the most appreciated features in the entire vehicle. Now it's time to explore the spectacular third floor. As we reach the top level, the luxury experience becomes even more extraordinary. This floor is dedicated entirely to recreation, relaxation, and unforgettable entertainment. The highlight is undoubtedly the indoor swimming pool. Yes, an actual swimming pool inside a motorhome. Surrounded by elegant finishes, comfortable lounge seating, panoramic glass panels, and sophisticated lighting, this remarkable feature creates a resort-like experience unlike anything found in conventional RVs. The surrounding relaxation deck offers the perfect place to unwind, enjoy scenic views, entertain guests, or simply appreciate the freedom of luxury travel. Every corner of this floor has been designed to maximize comfort while creating a truly unique lifestyle experience. From the advanced drive cabin and executive office to the gourmet kitchen, luxurious bedroom, spa bathroom, medication room, massage retreat, laundry facilities, and breathtaking indoor swimming pool, the 2027 Kenworth Motorhome represents the ultimate fusion of innovation, comfort, and mobility. This isn't simply a motorhome. It's a moving luxury estate that redefines what life on the road can be. The 2027 Kenworth Motorhome proves that with enough vision, engineering, and creativity, even the most ambitious dreams can become reality.